English made easy. Understanding wrist diameter. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our latest video. Today, we're diving into the phrase, wrist diameter. This might sound like a straightforward term, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and some interesting contexts where it pops up. Wrist diameter refers to the measurement around the wrist. This phrase is commonly used in contexts like fashion, health, and fitness. Understanding its components is key. Wrist is the part of your arm where the hand joins the forearm, and diameter is a term often used in geometry to denote the straight line passing from side to side through the center of a body or figure, especially a circle or sphere. In the fashion industry, wrist diameter is crucial for designing and selecting watches and bracelets. It ensures a comfortable and appropriate fit. In health and fitness, measuring the wrist diameter can be a method to gauge body frame size or track changes in physical health. Interestingly, the concept of measuring body parts can vary across cultures. In some languages, there might be specific terms for body measurements that differ from English. It's a great example of how language and culture interact. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, wrist diameter, and its various nuances. Remember, language is not just about words, but how they fit into our daily lives and cultures. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.